How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to reset app permissions on Android. So this is useful if you've made changes to an app and you would like it reset to the way it was before. So open up your settings and then come down and open apps, and then in the top right you'll see three dots. Press them and that'll bring up this drop down menu, and you can see the bottom one, reset app preferences. Press that and this will reset your preferences for all apps and you won't lose any of your app data. So reset, and that's then back to the way it was before. You can also go into the individual app. So for example, if you changed your message preferences and you want them back, you would scroll down and find the messages app that you use and then tap on permissions and then make sure that they're all allowed. So that's how to reset app permissions on Android. Thank you for watching.